Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is powerful, deep, and truly life-changing. Why taking risks is important in life. Are you someone who always plays it safe? Or do you wonder what would happen if you took a leap of faith? Stay with me as we explore how taking risks can shape your life in ways you never imagined. What is a risk? Let's begin with a simple question. What is a risk? A risk means doing something where the outcome is uncertain. You might succeed or you might fail. But here's the truth. If you never take a risk, you may never grow. Risk is not just about skydiving or quitting your job. It could be as small as speaking up in class, or as big as starting your own business. It means stepping outside your comfort zone. Why do people avoid risks? Most people avoid risks because they are afraid of failure, afraid of judgment, afraid of losing something. This fear creates comfort zones, and comfort zones feel safe, but they also trap us. When we avoid risk, we avoid change. And without change, there is no growth. Why risk-taking is important. Here are 3 big reasons why taking risks is important in life. 1. Growth and learning. When you take a risk, you learn something new. Even if you fail, you gain experience. That experience makes you stronger and smarter. 2. Opportunity. Some of the best opportunities in life come from risk. Imagine if Elon Musk never risked building SpaceX. Or if you never risked talking to someone new, you might miss a beautiful friendship. 3. Building confidence. Every time you take a risk and survive, you become more confident. You realize you are capable of more than you thought. Real-life examples. Let's look at some real-life examples. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter was accepted. What if she had given up? Steve Jobs was fired from the company he started, but he didn't stop. He took more risks and built Apple again. Yes, you watching this, also have a story waiting. You just need the courage to take that first step. How to take smart risks. Now, let's be clear. Taking risks doesn't mean being careless. Here's how to take smart risks. Plan ahead. Think through your decisions. Start small. You don't have to leap. Take baby steps. Accept failure. Know that failure is part of success. Stay positive. Even if it doesn't work out, you'll still learn. Remember, smart risks are brave, not blind. Life is short, and regret is heavier than failure. Ask yourself, what would I do if I wasn't afraid? Would you travel the world? Would you start your dream project? Would you speak up for yourself? The truth is, the life you want is on the other side of risk. So take the chance. Face the fear. Because every great story begins with a bold decision. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it inspiring, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational and English-speaking content. And remember, don't be afraid to take risks. Be afraid of doing nothing. See you in the next video.